Welcome back to Amika Studio, your destination for architecture, home design ideas, and interior design inspiration. The Art of Greenery, transforming front yards into welcoming landscapes. Once dominated by endless swaths of green grass, front yards are undergoing a metamorphosis. Homeowners are embracing the art of greenery, ditching the monoculture in favor of vibrant and welcoming landscapes that burst with life and personality. This shift reflects a growing desire for connection with nature, a celebration of biodiversity, and a rejection of the sterile perfection often associated with suburban lawns. The benefits of transforming your front yard into a verdant haven are numerous. Lush greenery not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home, but it also provides vital habitat for pollinators and other wildlife. It can help to regulate temperatures, reduce air pollution, and even improve stormwater management. And perhaps most importantly, a welcoming front yard creates a sense of community, inviting neighbors and passersby to linger and connect. Embracing the art of greenery, key principles to breathe life into your front yard. Gone are the days of endless, manicured lawns dominating residential landscapes. Homeowners are embracing a vibrant revolution, transforming their front yards into verdant sanctuaries teeming with life and personality. This burgeoning movement, aptly named the Art of Greenery, reflects a deep yearning for connection with nature, a celebration of biodiversity, and a conscious move away from the sterile perfection often associated with suburban lawns. The benefits of embracing the art of greenery are manifold. A feast for the senses. Lush greenery isn't just visually appealing, it also creates a symphony of textures, scents, and sounds that engage all your senses. Imagine the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze, the vibrant hues of blooming flowers, and the sweet fragrance of herbs dancing on the air. A haven for wildlife. By diversifying your plant palette, you create a welcoming habitat for pollinators like butterflies and bees, as well as other friendly creatures like birds and small mammals. Your front yard becomes a vital link in the local ecosystem, buzzing with life and purpose. A climate warrior. Lush greenery acts as a natural air purifier, filtering pollutants and releasing oxygen. It also helps regulate temperatures, reducing the urban heat island effect and contributing to a cooler, more pleasant environment. A stress reliever. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. With a verdant oasis right outside your door, you can easily access this therapeutic sanctuary, finding peace and solace amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. A community builder. A welcoming front yard fosters a sense of connection with your neighbors. It becomes an invitation to linger, chat, and build relationships, strengthening the fabric of your community. Transforming your front yard into a masterpiece of greenery isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that nourishes your soul, benefits the environment, and fosters a sense of community. To guide you on this journey, here are some key principles to keep in mind. Embrace diversity. Ditch the monoculture of endless green grass and opt for a vibrant tapestry of plants. Choose a variety of species that thrive in your local climate, bloom throughout the seasons, and offer contrasting textures and heights. Layer your plantings. Think of your front yard as a living canvas. Create depth and visual interest by planting in layers, from tall trees and shrubs down to ground covers and bulbs. This layering technique adds dimension and allows for year-round visual appeal. Think beyond flowers. While flowers add pops of color and fragrance, don't underestimate the beauty of foliage. Experiment with different shades of green, leaf shapes, and textures to create a captivating interplay of light and shadow. Incorporate hardscaping elements. Stone pathways, patios, and benches can provide structure and function while complementing your greenery. Think of them as stepping stones that guide visitors through your verdant haven. Let nature be your guide. Observe the natural landscape in your area and draw inspiration from its forms and textures. Mimic the way plants cluster together, how rocks and hills create contours, and how sunlight dances through the leaves. By emulating nature, you create a harmonious and cohesive space. Remember, your front yard is a canvas for your creativity. Experiment, have fun, and don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. By embracing these key principles and drawing inspiration from the many successful projects and movements mentioned previously, you can transform your front yard into a haven of greenery that not only enriches your life but also contributes to a healthier and more vibrant world.